Alright, hey everyone. I am shooting the new B3 Ghost hinge release. This is my first hinge release, and I'm just kind of out here learning how to shoot it. And my bow is a Matthews Verdix set at 70 pounds with a 28.5-inch draw and 80% let off. So I'm going to shoot a couple here. I know my form's not great. I'm learning. Trying to just figure out if this is going to help me tighten up and focus on some fundamentals. Alright, here we go. So I have a bag target set up out here right at 20 yards, and I'm going to shoot probably 4 or 5 arrows down there. We'll go take a look and just get an idea of what I need to work on, and if this lets me focus on just floating the pin and pulling through, or if this changes my mind on thinking too much about what mechanisms and mechanics it takes to actually operate this. So bear with me and let's get through a couple of these. Yeah, I can tell that one was high. I think I kind of pulled a little fast, and the front arm's gets a little tired, and I think I just kind of rushed that one. It felt a little different, and I can see it was high. Yeah, and that one was a little bit left. So my first couple arrows were good, and then I have 2 that were out. Let's see this last one if I can pull it back into the tighter group, and we'll go back and look at it. Yeah. And that last one was low, so that's not a very good group, but we'll go down here and take a look and see. Alright, so yeah, so here's my first 2, right? Those are in there nice, tight, right on top of each other. And then the last 3 are just kind of out there. So I've got some work to do, but so far that release feels good, and getting used to it. So hopefully that'll come together and we won't have so much of that large group stuff going on anymore. Thanks.